Hi there! Thank you for joining me for another Assemble This video all about birthday cards. I created this set of 4 cards using just some simple stamps, dies, and lots of pretty pattern paper. I also have a fun layout to share with you so you can create an easy set of cards too. Let's begin by stamping our sentiment. I'm using the Many More Birthdays stamp set by Unity Stamp Company. It comes with a matching die. So what I've done is put a piece of copy paper into my MISTI, stamped my stamp, and then I'm placing a negative die cut around my stamped image and then placing the die cut inside. This is a great way to line up your stamp and die so you can stamp perfectly on that die cut using red rubber stamps since we really can't see through those. And I also wanted to get the perfect color of blue for my cards. I was being very particular, so I ended up mixing 2 colors of Gina K inks. I'm mixing Soft Stone and Ocean Mist, so I get kind of a gray blue color. One of my favorite sentiment kits from Unity is Extended Celebration. There's lots of great images and sentiments in that kit. I'm pulling out the little balloon. I just thought it'd be a great way to accent the sentiment on this card. And I'm stamping 1 in each color. I've already done 4 colors of sentiments, and then I'm matching a balloon to each of those colors, and then I added a little star to the center of the balloon just because I thought it'd be really cute. Next up, I have a bunch of papers from the Rainbow Wishes paper pack, again by Unity, and I die cut those out using the Make a Tag die set. It has a really cute large scallop die that I glued directly down onto my card front, and then a smaller layering tag that I'm just going to hole punch. And then I die cut out a bunch of these little hole reinforcers in craft just so it would match the background of my card and the card front. It's so cute and just the perfect little accent to the top of your tag. Great, and I did that for 4 of my cards, and now I have 4 tags ready to go. Next up, let's put some string into the top of our tags. I grabbed this fun burlap string by May Arts, and I'm just going to fold that a couple times, put that through the top of the hole, and then pull it tight. And then I'm also going to take an extra little string and tie a sweet little bow around the top, just for a little extra added element. And then once I have everything in place, I'm just going to grab my scissors and I'll trim off those tails, and then I'll also trim off the top as well. I didn't want it to extend too far up above the card. Just going to add some foam adhesive to the back of the center tag so it pops up from that card, and then I also popped up all my sentiments in the center. Next, we're going to add those balloons with the stars, and then I pulled out a few Copic markers just to kind of color in the stars. They seem to be getting lost against that pattern paper, so I just picked out some matching colors to match the Gina K inks that I used. And then last, we need just a little bit of bling, so I'm adding a few sequins just around the sentiment and the balloon. And here are our finished cards. It's such a great simple little layout that's really easy to create more than one with. I love the way that you can mix any type of pattern paper you have in your stash, and it's also a great way to use up some papers that you have laying around. It's just a fun all-around birthday design that you could send to a kid or even an adult. As always, I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video on my Dahlhouse Designs YouTube channel and blog. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it. Plus, if you have any questions or a sweet comment, post below. Thanks again for creating with me. I hope you were inspired, and I'll see you next time. Bye!